Hello everyone, welcome to this next video on previous year's questions from abstract algebra. This question is particularly from field extensions and they're asking find the degree of the field extension. So this field extension is given to us where the field of rational has been adjoint with two elements, that is one is 2 to the power half. Second element is 2 to the power 1 by 4 and third element is given to be 2 to the power 1 by 8 and this is a given extension over the field of rational numbers. So we have something like this. So now we need to calculate what is the degree of this extended field over the field of rationals. So for that we need a result which is stated here, and I have discussed the same result in the series in the lecture number 25 of field theory series, right? They are saying if you adjoin any element, say u, to some field f, that means for that particular u we'll have a irreducible polynomial in the lower field, that is in fx, right? And moreover, whatever is the degree of this polynomial Pn, Px, in this case they have considered it to be n. So the basis set would be 1 u up to un minus 1. So this would be the basis set, and accordingly if there are n elements in the basis, so the degree of the extension field f of u over the subfield f, that is n. So this result, and particularly the second part, would be useful in solving this question. So let us have a look. In our case, if we assume the polynomial to be fx, that is equal to x raised to power 8 minus 2. Why? Because this particular element 2 to the power 1 by 8 has been adjoined to this field of rationals alongside 2 to the power 1 by 4 and 2 to the power 1 by 2, right? These two elements and 2 to the power 1 by 8. I am considering a polynomial x raised to power 8 minus 2 corresponding to this particular element. Why? Because you'll see this in a moment. So this is our polynomial. Here you can see x is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 8 is a root. So that means when you adjoin this particular element 2 to the power 1 by 8 to this field of rational numbers, what do you get? You basically have a basis set here. This is a u according to the theorem, right? And what is the degree of this polynomial px? In our case it is 8, right? So our basis set would be 1 u square up to u raised to power 7, right? N minus 1, that is 7. So what do we get? We will get 1 into 1, 2 to the power 1 by 8, 2 to the power 2 by 8, 2 to the power 3 by 8, 2 to the power 4 by 8 up to 7 by 8, 2 to the power 7 by 8. So these all elements form the basis set of this field Q, where 2 to the power 1 by 8 has been adjoined to it. Now you can you see the element 2 to the power 1 by 4 and the element 2 to the power 1 by 2, this one and this one, they are already in the basis set when you adjoin this particular element to the field of rational numbers. So in this case, if you consider only this polynomial, this irreducible polynomial, and you adjoin this particular element to the field of rational numbers, you will also get the elements 2 to the power 1 by 4 and 2 to the power 1 by 2 to it. Thus, the degree of this particular extension field over the extension field of the field of rational numbers, that comes out to be the degree of this irreducible polynomial fx, and this is equal to 8. So our answer here would be the option number B. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.